Hey there, Escambia teachers, and welcome to a Byte of Tech with the Student Data Systems team. Today, we're going to be going over communication reports in Focus. These reports are going to allow you to easily see any messages that you've sent or received, filter to identify errors or messages that were undelivered, and then you can find flagged messages and create a referral from that screen if needed. From your portal page, you're going to go to your sidebar menu, and when you open it, go down to Reports, and you're going to see Communication Reports listed here. Your new screen has some options for you. You could change your type of communication, but we recommend leaving it on all. Your school will default to yours. You can change the time frame to be as big or as small as you would like for it to be. Just keep in mind that the larger the time frame, the longer the runtime. You can choose Secure, Emergency, or Flagged, and then click Search. Now, we do want to draw your attention to some important information on this screen. We do recommend leaving those filters turned on, but you're also going to see that you have the date and the time, the type of communication that was sent, the message, and the source if it's from a student, a user, who it's from, who it's to, and if it's more than one recipient, you'll see that number reflected there, what student it regards, as well as the total, the sent, pending or expired, if there are any errors, if a message was secure or flagged, and you can create a referral from this screen. Now you can filter by clicking on these arrows as well. You could click this blue link or open this box here, and it's going to give you more information. Clicking the message will show it in its entirety for you. You're also going to see, if you click that to recipients, who received this message, and you can scroll on this screen as well. Checking for errors is simple. Either click on the number of errors or the recipient. It's going to show you exactly why your text message or email did not send. We can continue to toggle through. If message content has been flagged, you're going to see that here, and you would need to click in order to read, but we do have a video that talks about flagged messages specifically. As you move through and finish, you can close out here, and just remember that you can click any of these blue links at any time, and you can scroll back and forth. So if we were to go over and click a blue link, it's going to show us information that we want to see. And now you've looked at communication reports in Focus. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out our other recommended video here, as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss our new content. Fill out that content request form so we keep making those videos that are just for you, because that is a Byte of Tech.